Let me get up close and personal on this. Look at that. Classic, traditional grilled cheese. Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I'm on my deck and I'm getting ready to grill. Yes, I'm gonna grill a grilled cheese sandwich. Not just one, but a couple of them. Dash over at Steel Drum Smoker Barbecue, SDS Barbecue, and Alton at Dogfather Barbecue have formed this Collaboration Challenge Cook-Off, where YouTubers are invited to participate by preparing grilled cheese sandwiches on a grill. Not a griddle, not on a cast iron skillet, actually on the grill. We're going to be doing one traditional grilled cheese sandwich, and that's basic, what all your little children love, and that's American cheese on 2 slices of white bread with some butter on the outside grilled in. The second one is my choice, and I decided to do something that I've had before and I really like it. It's called a Brie and Pear grilled cheese sandwich. It's going to be done on sourdough bread. I'm going to have regular butter on the outside grilled on, and the inside I'm going to have a honey butter that I'm going to put in there. I'm going to layer my brie, layer my grilled pears, put the top on, meet the top of the bread, and grill away. These are the ingredients for my Brie pear grilled cheese. I'm going to be spreading plain butter on the outside of the bread. And then I'll put the honey butter on the inside of the bread. I'm going to slice up the pears, and then I'm going to layer them on the bread, and I'm going to also layer the brie. I'm going to core my pear, my Bosch pear. I'll take a coring element and go in there and take that out. There's also part of the stem going from here to that end. So on an angle, I'm going to go in on both sides so that I can remove that core. I'm also going to slice off the bottom, and we'll do some cuts at an angle so we can take advantage of having wider slices of the pear. In slicing this pear, I find that it's not very sweet, so I'm probably also going to wind up grilling it so that I can get it to caramelize to bring out more of the sugars in the pear. I noted when slicing the pears that they weren't as sweet as I'd like them to be, so I'm going to grill them so they can caramelize a bit. And better develop their sugars. My pears are grilling up. Hopefully they'll be sweeter than they were yesterday. I've got 2 slices of sourdough bread, and I'm going to butter these slices. It's going to be decadent. Important that you get a lot of this butter all over, and especially to the edges, because you want every bite you want to have that goodness. I'm going to lay my bread on the grill. Then I'm going to take this honey butter and I'm going to lather it on. Can't you just anticipate how good this is going to be? I'm going to get a good layer of that honey butter on there. When I made this honey butter, I used equal parts. It's 3 tablespoons of real butter and 3 tablespoons of honey, and I creamed that together. Now I'm going to layer on my pears. But here we are. I've put the honey butter on the sourdough bread. I layer the pears on the bread first, and then I put the brie on it. Now I'm going to move it all over to the griddle section. Yum. We're going to do the same thing with the grill marks, rotating it. So I'm going to rotate that 90 degrees. Repeat this one, 90 degrees. You almost say I must not like my fingers because I keep on putting them so close to the grill. I'm just so used to playing with fire that it doesn't bother me. Okay. Turn that over. Put it on there. Then we're going to transfer this to the upper rack. Turn it over. And you can see we have the beginning of melt. She's looking good. Brie and Pear on sourdough bread with a honey butter. I'm going to cut into this Brie and Pear grilled cheese. And see what we got. Delish. Let me get up close and personal on this. These are the ingredients for my traditional classic grilled cheese sandwich. I have 2 slices of white bread, and what I'm going to first do is butter them. I took this butter out of the refrigerator, left it on the counter so that it could get soft, so that it's spreadable. And we're going to coat both sides of this bread with this butter. Try to get it even. And once I've done that, I'm going to take it out to the grill, and we're going to grill this grilled cheese. I've got my 2 slices of bread and my 2 slices of processed cheese, which I'm going to take the wrappers off. Processed cheese isn't even real cheese. Some people call it plastic. The kids love it. So I'm going to put a slice of this processed cheese on my bread. And my bread is butter side down. This side of the grill is indirect. There's no heat. All the heat is in the middle section. From there, I'm going to take my bread and put it over the heat side. Should sizzle. I'll let it stay at one angle for a few seconds. Then I'm going to take it and rotate it 90 degrees, and I'll get some grill marks. We can do that about now. That's for another few seconds. Grilled cheese done on the grill. Not on grill grates, not on a cast iron skillet, not on a griddle, but on grill. Okay, I'm going to take my slices and I'm going to put them on top of each other and relocate it to the upper rack, and thereby I will be able to make sure that the cheese gets melty. One of the other tricks in doing this is to make sure that all of the items that go into the sandwich, that they're room temperature. So the butter was softened, room temperature. The grilled cheese I had at room temperature, and the bread. When you put it on cold, especially the cheese, it may take longer to melt. And you'll have burnt bread before you'll have grilled cheese. Let's do a peek. See what we've got. We're almost there. Turn it over so that the other side can get more of the heat. Let's do a look-see. We've got melt. Grilled cheese on a grill. Actually, when I was looking up on YouTube varying ways that people do grilled cheese sandwiches, I could only find one, just one, where a grilled cheese was actually grilled on a grill. Most of them are cast iron, panini presses, and things like that, but no grill. You're going to take that off. Going to slice this grilled cheese, just to assure you all that we did get the cheese melty. Look at that. Look at that. There we have it. Classic, traditional grilled cheese done on a grill. Real grilled cheese. I'm gonna take a bite. I want to show you guys just how delicious this is. That honey butter brought out those pears. The flavor is just wonderful. And of course the melty brie, the buttery sourdough bread. Wow. I hope you try this, because it's damn good. Truthfully, this is damn good. Grilled cheese, my favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Traditional grilled cheese on a grill and non-traditional grilled cheese, anything but grilled cheese. Both recipes are good. I like both. However, this is over the top. Anyway, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q. Thank you for joining me in this Collaboration Challenge cook-off on grilled cheese called Grill My Cheese. Hashtag Grill My Cheese. Thank you very much, Dash and Alton, for bringing this to my attention and including me. I really enjoyed doing these videos. You all take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.